Bingo Cash payment verification usually fails because the app can't confirm your payment details with the payment provider or its own servers, even if the transaction itself appears successful. By the end of this video, you'll know the most effective fixes, how to rule out account problems, and when the issue is likely on Bingo Cash's side. Start by checking your internet connection. Payment verification requires a stable connection from the moment you submit the payment until the confirmation is complete. If your connection drops during that process, the app may fail to verify the transaction. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try again. Next, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. After signing back in, check whether the payment was actually processed before attempting another transaction. Sometimes the verification screen fails to refresh even though the payment has already been accepted. Now make sure you are using the latest version of Bingo Cash. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Bingo Cash, and install any available update. Payment-related bugs are commonly addressed through app updates. If you're using Android, go to iSettings, open CAPS, select Bingo Cash, tap Storage, and choose iClear Cache. Corrupted temporary files can interfere with payment verification. If the issue continues, clearing app data is another option, but you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall Bingo Cash. This replaces damaged app files that could be preventing successful communication with the payment system. Also verify that your payment method is active and has not expired. Double-check that your card information or linked payment account is current and that your bank has not declined the transaction for security reasons. If you've made several payment attempts within a short period, wait a little while before trying again. Multiple rapid attempts can sometimes trigger temporary verification delays while the transaction is being processed. Another good step is to check your payment history. If you see a completed charge but Bingo Cash still says verification failed, avoid submitting another payment immediately. A duplicate payment could occur if the first transaction is still being processed. If none of these fixes work, check whether Bingo Cash is experiencing server maintenance or temporary payment system issues. When payment servers are unavailable, verification can fail for many users at the same time. Finally, contact Bingo Cash support with your transaction details if the payment remains unverified after the servers return to normal. Include any confirmation number or receipt from your payment provider to help speed up the review. To recap, check your connection, restart the app, update Bingo Cash, clear the cache or reinstall it, verify your payment method, avoid repeated payment attempts, and contact support if the transaction still isn't verified. Follow those steps in order before trying another payment. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.